You will learn how to join a class in Google Classroom from this tutorial. Let's just get right into it. There are ways through which you can join a class in Google Classroom. One is when the person sends you an invite link through any means of communication like WhatsApp, all right? And you click on that link and join, okay? Or email. Another way is if the person use the people tab in the classroom section, okay, whereby it sends you a direct invite link into your email. We are going to cover these two using a Gmail, okay? So launch your Chrome browser. As a student, once your Chrome browser opens, visit gmail.com and log in. Look at the first invitation link the person sent to my email. So I'll click on it for you to see how it looks like. It says join the class by clicking the link below. So here, he or she is my teacher. All right. And look at the invite code. So when I click on this, I'll be taken to the classroom section and join. This is the method one, whereby the person sends the class code to you as a link. All right. Then let's go back. This is another email pointing to the same class. All right. So let me click on it. And here, this person used the people tab in the classroom as the teacher. And he sends the link directly to my email. Okay. So what I need to do as a student to join is to click on join class. So let's do it together. This has opened. It says you have been invited to basic Excel class. That's the name of the class. All right. You are signed in as this, Michael. Look at my email address. If that is not the email address you want to use to join, you switch. But that is the email address I want to use because that is where this email is being sent. So I'll click on join button. And here it says, Wahoo, no work due soon, but I have joined the class. That's what it means. So I'm waiting for the teacher to have some work inside this class and I will do it. So this is how you can join class as a student in Google Classroom. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. You can check out this product I have on this screen. It's one of the products I sell on my store. So click and get one. When you get there, you can buy others from my store. Thank you and see you some other time.